This is the homepage of Jogg AI. This is the video creation tool. Just click here. Then it will take you to the sign up window. Simply click continue with Google. Select your email address. So now you are in the dashboard of Jogg AI. As you can see on the left side, there are multiple options. As today's video is specially for AI ad creation, so I will talk about that portion only. So let's click AI ad maker. As you can see here, it has 5 options. Click URL to video option. Now Jogg AI is asking for URL. Simply put your product URL here. Hit create video option. Now it is analyzing your product details. As you can see here, this is your product name. This is your product advantage, target audience, and Jogg AI has pulled some media from your site, as you can see here. So now this is the setting section where you need to choose your avatar. This is the avatar name. This is the voice, video setting, duration, and language. So first you need to choose your avatar. Simply click on it. Jogg AI has many avatar, different types. You can also create your own custom avatar for your brand. The choice is yours. I recommend to use or to create your custom avatar so it doesn't look same. But as of now, I will go with some preset avatar for this ad. Okay, let's choose this. Simply click on it and press confirm. Remember, the ratio for TikTok ads will be 9:16. So now press confirm. It will automatically fetch an audio, video setting. Duration will be 15 seconds. Now click next. It will take some time. Jogg AI is generating your script, but I recommend you to create your script with the help of master prompt. You can find in the description below, which is purely for AI UGC ads purpose. So I recommend you to use that prompt. So I have created a script with that prompt which I use here. So simply click use your own script. And here enter your script. For this video, I have already generated a script, so I will use that. Simply copy and paste your script here. The script is very good for UGC purpose. It has all the elements that helps to convert your ads, so I recommend you to use it. See why this ad is very useful. See, this is the main script which has all the elements, and now it has also created your target audience profile, target audience, key benefits, and USP. And it also has given to you some hook variations. You can also use this. It has also given you some hashtag. So this is a complete package for a UGC script generation that will help you to create a conversion focused UGC script in minutes. So definitely use it. It will help you a lot. So let's move to the section here. So I have pasted the script. Now click next. Now Jogg AI is analyzing your product and creating your video. So now your video is ready. It has generated 11 videos for you so that you can choose and download it from here. Here is an important note. Accurate lip sync will be available after rendering. Just play.
Stop using lip balms that do nothing. I switched to this, and my lips actually look healthy now. This is Lip Paradise Sensual Lip Glow from Dear. It melts instantly, gives this glossy glow, and feels zero sticky. It's packed with shea butter plus argan oil, so it acts. Stop using lip balms that do nothing. I switched to this, and my lips actually look healthy now. This is Lip Paradise Sensual Lip Glow from Dear Dahlia. It melts instantly, gives this glossy glow, and feels zero. Stop using lip balms that do nothing. Stop using lip balms that do nothing. I switched to this, and my lips actually look healthy now. This is Lip Paradise Sensual. Stop using lip balms that do nothing. I switched to this, and my lips actually look healthy now. Stop using lip balms that do nothing. I switched to this, and my lips actually look healthy now. This is Lip Paradise Sensual. Stop using lip balms that do nothing. I switched to this, and my lips actually look healthy now. This is Lip Paradise. Stop using lip balms that do nothing. I switched to this, and my lips actually look healthy now. This is Lip Paradise Sensual Lip Glow.
So I think the output are really good. And one thing I also recommend here that always use a B-roll video in your UGC ads because it looks very attractive when you use a genuine B-roll into your AI UGC ad. So don't forget to use B-roll in your UGC ad. If you like, you can download it from here or you can edit your ad for further improvement. So again, I told you don't forget to use master prompt. It will give you enough advantage in your UGC ad creation process. And also don't forget to use B-roll. So that's it for today and we'll see you in the next video.